Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Apple Watch Universe here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to use the swipe to type keyboard for iOS 13 right now. So first, to set it up, go to settings, and it actually should already be automatically set up, but go to general, go to keyboard, which is right underneath date and time, right here. Click on it. Then you should see two keyboards, text replacement, and a few other things. Then, when you look at scrolling down, you can see delete slide to type by word. So, we're going to leave this off. I keep mine off. And make sure you have iOS 13. So go back to general. It should say general at the top in the middle. Click on software update. And a new update might show up. Mine shows up because this is the beta. But to check your current update, go to About, and software version should say iOS 13.3.1, and this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, and make sure you're adding something on 13 and anything later than that. You cannot be on iOS 13 or lower. It has to be higher than iOS 13. So once you're on iOS 13, you're good to go. So to test this out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Notes app, and I'm going to make a new note. And to test this out, try typing something like the. And all you have to do is hold your finger, and say if I was trying to type best, you would hold your finger on the B, but not too long because it would go like this. Hold your finger on the B really quick and slide to the B, from the B to the E to the S to the T. So slide like this. And you'll see a little animation when you slide. So I'll just show you guys. You can slide around and like do as much as you guys want. And it'll just be like that. So say if I was typing hello. To type two L's, this is something that I learned by myself. I haven't seen it anywhere else. But you hold over the H, go to E, L, stay there and like draw a circle around it, and then go to O. Because if you just go like this, it might work, but sometimes it might not work with double letters. So another problem you might have is back in settings, go to your keyboard, and if you're inside and you're texting or something, and if I typed in best, it would, and if I clicked backspace because it had one wrong letter, it would delete the whole word. So if you don't want this to happen, go to settings, go to text replacement, scroll down, and then delete slide to type by word. When you have this on, it goes like this, and it deletes the whole word every time you click the backspace. When you turn it off, it's just like this. It deletes one letter at a time. This is a setting that you can customize by yourself, but if you want to use the one that deletes the whole entire word, then you guys are free to use it, but it still works very, very good. So you can type really fast with this. So if I was to type a sentence like the best way to use your keyboard, I would type it just like this. So you could type that fast. If I was to type it like that, it does take longer. So you guys might have to have a little practice with this, but it usually comes natural because you guys already know how to use your keyboard. And if this helped you, then please consider dropping a like, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell, which is right next to subscribe. And I'm going to have a special video coming up soon, so subscribe and like for that video, and it will be coming out very, very soon. and it's a special video. So if you guys want to see that, subscribe, like, and if this helps you out, do the same, and I'll see you guys in the next one.